Hello everyone, welcome back to the Statistics Bio 7. In today's video, we are going to learn about the Cochran-Mantel-Haenszel test, also called the CMH test, using the MedCalc software. The test is very important in biostatistics when we want to analyze the association between the two variables while controlling for the third variable. So what is a CMH test? The CMH test is a Cochran-Mantel-Haenszel test is used to examine the relationship between the two categorical variable while adjusting for the confounding factors. For the example, suppose we want to study the effect of a drug on recovery, but the data come from the different hospitals. So the each hospitals may influence the result. So we controlled that using CMH test. So here we take the data set for the three different hospitals for the H1, H2 and H3, and the each hospitals have two groups for the drug and control, and the outcome for the recovery 0 is a recovery and 1 is a not recovery. So the data analyzed for the CMH test in the MedCalc software. So go to the top menu for the MedCalc software, choose for the statistics and select for the cross table and select for the Cochran-Mantel-Haenszel test. Then open for the new tab CMH test. Then outcome for the variable add to the outcome recovery and not recovery data. And then for the group add for the drug and control two different groups, and the factor is a hospital, and the count for the different hospital, the total number of the patient for the each one hospital for the example in the H1 hospital, H2 hospital and H3 hospital. And the filter is options for the you come want the output of the result, only you want the recovery result. So drug for the recovery result for only filter in the used to filter options. You want the not recovery data only, you want selected for the not recovery, because you want the recovery data only add to the 0, or you want the not recovery add to the 1. So then click the OK button. Now analyzed for the data in CMH data. So outcome for the variable outcome, group for the group, factor for the hospitals. So the group exposed to the group for the first view on the table drug, and this is for the control, change it to the options. So first we check the drug data. So the hospital for the H1, H2, H3 and the control and drug, two groups. So the recovery for the 0, not recovery for the 1. So the H1 for the control 2 and the not recovery for the 1, and the drug for the not recovery 1 and recovery for the 1, not recovery for the 2, and the odds ratio 4.0 and 95% of confidence interval 0.134 to 119.20, and the data for the H2 and H3 hospital, the data we want, the total number of the cases, the control for the recovery 4, not recovery for the control 5, and the drug recovery for the 6, not recovery for the 3, the odds ratio for the 18, and the Cochran-Mantel-Haenszel odds ratio, the odds ratio for 0.5077 and 95% of confidence interval 0.09 to 2.58, and the high square test 0.70, the degrees of freedom value 1 and the p value 0.40, and the homogeneity of odds ratio Browl's day the I-square value 5.98, degrees of freedom 2, and p-value 0.50. And Browley-Stay turned the I-square test 5.91 and degrees of freedom 2 and p 0.52. And another one, the group exposed for the control group. So the control group view on the same table to the title, the hospital group outcomes, the control and the drug, odds ratio, and 95% of confidence interval. Only the few the data, only the difference for the H1 hospital, the odds ratio 0.25, and the recover for the control patient 2, and the not recover for the control patient, the H1 hospital 1, and the drug recovered the 1, not recovered for the 2, and the odds ratio 1.96, 95% confidence interval also present, the I-square value 0.70 and degrees of freedom 1 and p-value 0.40. And Browley-Stay the I-square test 5.98, degrees of freedom 2 and the p-value 0.50. And the if you any doubt on this, the Cochran-Mantel-Haenszel test, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And the interpretation of the two exposed group for the drug and control. And if you want to the analyzed practice for this analysis, the data also I will upload for the website. That link also mentioned to the this video description box. If you like this video, click to the subscription button and support me. Join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.